Hey guys, Christian here.
Hi, how are you?
And today I'm going to share with you the 5 apps that you need to try out if you're a clothing store, including one that will completely change the way your customers shop. Number 1, Smile.io. Everyone nowadays has some sort of loyalty rewards program. Why not give the customer a reason to keep coming back to your store to buy over and over again, right? So the best way to do that is through a loyalty rewards program using the Smile.io app. With the Smile.io app, you can improve the loyalty through points, referrals, and VIP programs. It's very easy to set up, and once they're set up, you can adjust things very easily and edit and manage them. You can even set recurrent points based on, let's say, birthdays or anniversaries, or even the length of time since that last customer shopped. Now, before we get into app number 2, I just want to say welcome to everyone new. My name is Christian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at BitBranding. We have been helping frustrated store owners
So angry. Don't get close.
since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And the one way that you can support our channel is by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. Number two is ShopToLook, a cross-selling app that helps the shopper determine other items that might look good with a piece of clothing that they're about to buy. You can actually set this up internally, so you can set up your own outfit and have them very easily shop the top, the bottoms, the shoes, the earrings, the bags, literally the whole thing. Don't forget, the last app that I'm gonna show you is going to change the way you sell online, so stick around for that. Okay, another app that we absolutely love is BackInStock. We love this app because it will notify your shoppers when an item that they wanted is actually back in stock. Easy, right? Back in stock, back in stock. This is crucial to making money because without this app, you would be missing on tons of sales otherwise. Installation takes less than 30 seconds and customers can receive automatic email notifications to their inbox. And this actually integrates with Klaviyo, MailChimp, Constant Contact. So whatever email provider you use, BackInStock probably integrates well with it. Really quickly, if you want to check out even more apps, watch our previous video on the top 5 apps every Shopify store needs. All right, drum roll, please. This is the last app, the one that I've been talking about, CommentSold. This app is a game changer. This is how people will be shopping more and more in the future. CommentSold allows you to sell live on your social platforms, and not even just live, like it could be any time of the day. They can just comment, I want this, or comment sold, right? And it automatically goes through the payment process and purchases that item for that customer. This integrates seamlessly with Shopify and Facebook and Instagram. It works by converting comments to sales with a fully automated real-time process. And like I said, as a bonus, your inventory and sales sync automatically between CommentSold, Shopify, Facebook, so you don't have to worry about doing anything there. And again, we believe this is a great way to fully take advantage of your social media platforms and provide a richer experience for your customers. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions about any of the apps that we talked about, or if you want an additional video on a very specific app that we talked about, or maybe we didn't talk about. What are your favorite apps right now if you're a clothing brand, or if you're not? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if you stuck around this long, you're probably someone who wants to know the keys to e-commerce growth and success in the long term. Since I know that is probably you, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked away, then you need to check out our free training on the 5 pillars that must be in place to grow and scale your e-commerce brand. So check the description down below for that link. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, I wanna hear from you from the comments. Let us know, like this video, subscribe. We love you. See you on the next one.